this is the sunrise of Snaroya and it's really beautiful.
Hi guys, so we're here in Drummond. Nagkain muna kami ng breakfast. Ang photographer namin.
Natawa sa breakfast nila.
Bakit?
Bakit? Snacks lang daw.
Snacks? Breakfast na to sa Norway. Alam mo na, snacks sa Pinas. Okay. Ano na yan dito? Okay. Breakfast. OA!
OA! Imday! OA!
Din yan matry.
May fridge. May ganun yung host na dati ni Ate Joy.
Ito yung pupuntahan natin.
May ganun sila. Tapos pinatour kami. Ang ganda sa loob. Double deck kasi yung bed.
Kasi ganyan nakikita ko sa mga Instagram ba.
Bala ka dyan. Magpanti ka talaga.
Hindi kasi dinreglayan siya.
Okay lang man yung flowing water man, oh.
Ayun.
Naiihi ako po.
Ako din.
Pala.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to
our vlog.
Norway.
Ang
Saan na yun? Ang lamig-lamig guys. Lamig yarn. Wow, ang daming pato. Pato ni Papason. Madaming pato yung kapitbahay namin dyan ba.
Bye. Okay na.
May third pa ba to?
Pili na matuwa. Prepare ko na yung self.
Namang view sa window mirror.
Kanina maganda yun.
Mag-breathing technique na. Kaya hindi, nasa water breathing lang kaya balaan mo.
Sabi ko, happy. Siya tingnan to. Dapat mo sa
Sila po yan, natulog na. Binigyan kita ng card, sasayaw mo kay Tita Nika. Mga apple to, di ba?
Yeah. Hi, Day. Wow, sexy. Sexy ng likod ni Jenna. Wowers. Ito yung 200 years old.
Wow. Not on that side of the river, not on this side of the river. And it had a property far away that length. But it is more than a living room because you could sleep here too.
It's like a, oh. Wow, it's really nice.
Wow, there is a deer, reindeer.
This is
these animals were not so common here.
Okay, they're just...
This was shot 100 years ago.
Something like that, yes.
Uh-huh.
Old na siya.
So everything, the walls and the ceilings, everything is painted new by me.
1868.
Wow.
It looks a bit like the same room downstairs, but it's much nicer painted.
Yeah.
You see here, carved.
Ako din. Tanggap ko na. Wala naman dito pinapaganda ko.
Siya. Kung gusto mo nila yung ano.
Welcome to Tinosbanan. So here guys, you can see the scenic view of Telemark. Wow! So we stopped by here and then take some pictures and enjoy the views. So for me guys, this is really a perfect spot if you want to detox from the city. And also if you want to reconnect with the nature and to breathe some fresh air.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I imagine we fell in love on that under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air.
So here guys, we decided to go to Gustotapen to do some hiking. And it takes 3 to 4 hours going up there. So you could choose pala guys if you want to hike or you want to take the train.
Maraming iba-iba kasing ano.
Pwede, per depende.
So for us, we want to challenge. So we decided to do the hiking.
Ito, itapon nyo lang to dyan.
Hi. Go, Jen. We're almost there.
So for me guys, dili siya super easy, dili po siya super hard. So tama lang, tamang careful lang kay daghan kaayong rocks.
Yan. So sa Norway guys, sundan lang yung letter T. Yan. Mga T.
Hirap na nga Sinday sa buhay na sa Norway. Pinapahirapan niyo pa.
Gans lang.
Smile pa ba yung mga makilom?
Hindi na sila nag-smile.
Okay na yan, babe. Pa-video ka.
Ako daw dyan, di.
So here in Norway guys, you don't need a guide for you to be able to climb up there. Unlike sa Philippines na need mo talaga ng guide. So we're halfway there guys, and nag-start na siya kanindot ang view up there.
We're on top na. Yeah, we made it to the top. Whew.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
So, pababa na kami guys, and along the way, we saw many sheep, and I think this is my first time seeing so many of them in Norway.
Wow, grabe yung inakyat namin, guys. Woo! We did it! Yay!